It's the Greenface. I can't really trust people because people are so fucking fucked up. Wildfire, you know what I mean. Gotta burn the fucking haters out. Keep them out, block them out. I have trust issues with people. Mankind so blood clot evil. That's why me don't trust people. Them so evil. Me don't trust people. Mankind evil. Bad motherfucker them evil. Don't wanna see how you rise. Wanna see how you fall. Just like them, they don't wanna see you get better. Don't want to get better. Them don't want you get better than them. And them still want act like them are your friend. Dog, don't trust in people, mankind wicked, corrupt, and them evil, dog. Don't trust in people, dog. They will put your body in the mag. Don't trust people. They're so evil. They're so evil. Me not trust people. Then we stab it in your back when you're not looking. Put poison in your food when you're cooking. And you better know so they want you in a grave for a reason I don't know. But them so fucking covetous, malicious, and they just want to kill your dog. Them don't got no heart. People, mankind, dog, them a fraud. Malicious people, all of them together so evil. It's mankind ain't kind. Got me, I tell them. But me have me come from my ways, we go shell them. Me is a devil, cause me cannot be a angel compared to this hell that I'm living in, yeah. Man, I try, but me can't trust them. Rather take my gun out and me waste my dog and bust them. Don't bother think of joking, and a joking. On a joke thing, that don't trust people. Wicked, corrupt, and them evil, yeah. Don't trust people. Wicked, corrupt, and them evil, yeah. Take away your soul, put your body in a hole. They wanna see you fall. The story's untold, yeah. But you still know people are evil, wicked people.